7 ways, 7 specific, measurable, undeniable ways that one tool changes your life completely. Not your fitness, your life. The way you move, the way you think, the way you show up every single day. And way number 4 is so unexpected, so powerful, so life-changing, that most people cry when they experience it for the first time. 7 ways the kettlebell will change your life. I've been waiting to make this video for a long time, because this isn't about exercise, this isn't about fitness metrics, this is about transformation at the deepest level. Physical, mental, emotional, and I have 7 stories to prove every single point. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In the next 13 minutes, I'm going to show you 7 transformations that kettlebell training creates. But here's what makes this different from every other kettlebell video. These aren't physical changes only. Ways 1 through 3 are physical. Way 4 is psychological. Ways 5 and 6 are social and emotional. And Way 7 is existential. It changes who you are at the deepest level. But first, I need to tell you about the person who changed my entire understanding of what kettlebells actually do. Because without this story, you won't understand why these 7 ways are so powerful. Stay with me. This is going to be different from anything you've seen. Let's get into it. The story that changes everything. Her name doesn't matter. What matters is her situation. 47 years old, divorced, 2 kids, demanding job, 0 time, 0 energy, 0 confidence. She hadn't exercised consistently in 15 years. Her doctor warned her about pre-diabetes. Her knees hurt climbing stairs. She felt invisible, irrelevant, old before her time. A friend handed her a kettlebell, 16 kilograms, told her to swing it 20 times daily. Just 20 swings. Nothing else. She thought it was ridiculous. 20 swings. That's it? But she was desperate enough to try anything. Week 1, 20 swings. Week 2, 30. Week 3, 50. 3 months later, something had shifted. Not just physically, though that was dramatic. Something deeper, something she couldn't name at first, but she felt it. And when she finally understood what had changed, she sat down and cried. What changed was everything. 7 things specifically. And they changed in a specific order. Here's what happened to her. Here's what will happen to you. Way 1. Your body becomes a machine you trust again. Weeks 1 through 8. Most people have a broken relationship with their body. Years of sedentary life create a disconnect. You stop trusting your body to perform. You avoid physical challenges. You take elevators instead of stairs. Not because you're lazy. Because your body has let you down so many times, you stopped relying on it. Kettlebell swings fix this. Here's how. Every swing is a performance. Your hips fire explosively. Your glutes engage powerfully. Your core braces completely. Your body does exactly what you demand of it. And this is new. This is different. Your body performing reliably. Week 1, swings feel awkward. Your body is relearning movement. Week 3, something clicks. The hip hinge becomes natural. Your body knows what to do. Week 6, swings feel powerful. Your body responds instantly to your demands. Week 8, you catch yourself choosing stairs without thinking. Not because you told yourself to, because your body feels capable, trustworthy, reliable. The broken relationship begins healing. You start moving differently through the world, with more confidence, more capability, more trust in your physical self. This is the foundation of everything else. But here's what makes this way so powerful. Once you trust your body again, everything changes. You try new physical challenges. You take on activities you'd avoided. You become active in ways you'd forgotten were possible. Way 1 creates Way 2. Way 2. Your pain disappears and you forget it ever existed. Weeks 4 through 16. Chronic pain is epidemic. Back pain, knee pain, hip pain, shoulder pain. Most people live with low-level constant pain. They've accepted it as their normal. They've forgotten what pain-free feels like. Here's what happens with swings. The hip hinge strengthens your posterior chain, the muscles that support your spine. Your glutes grow stronger, your hamstrings develop, your lower back stabilizes, and as these muscles strengthen, they take pressure off your joints. Your spine decompresses, your hips stabilize. Week 4, you notice your back feels better in the morning. less stiffness. Week 8, you realize your knee hasn't hurt in weeks. When did that stop? Week 12, your shoulder issue that's bothered you for years is gone. Completely. Without treatment, without medication, just swings. And here's the fascinating part. You forget the pain ever existed. It's been there so long, so constantly, that its absence creates a new normal. A better normal. You forget what life felt like with the pain. Because your new baseline is pain-free. This happened to her. The knee pain she'd lived with for 7 years. Gone by week 10. Her back stiffness that made mornings miserable. Gone by week 6. 7 years of constant pain, erased by 16 weeks of daily swings. And she forgot it had ever been there. But pain disappearance creates something else. Something unexpected. Something that changes your daily experience completely. Way 3. Your energy transforms from scarce to abundant. Weeks 6 through 20. Fatigue is the modern epidemic. People are exhausted, not from hard work, from sedentary life. Your body needs movement to generate energy. This sounds paradoxical. Exercise creates energy? But it's true. And the mechanism is fascinating. Mitochondria multiply. Your cells develop more power plants, more energy production capacity, more efficient fuel burning. This happens specifically with high-intensity explosive training. Kettlebell swings trigger mitochondrial biogenesis faster than almost any other exercise. Week 6, you notice you're not hitting the afternoon wall as hard. Week 10, the afternoon crash is gone completely. Week 14, you're staying energized until 9 or 10 p.m., not from caffeine, from mitochondria. Week 20, your friends are asking what you're doing, because your energy is visible, infectious. People notice. She described it perfectly. It's like someone turned the lights on. I forgot what it felt like to have real energy. Now I can't imagine going back. This is mitochondrial transformation. This is what daily swings do to your cellular energy production. But here's where the transformation gets deeper, because way 4 is where everything changes. Way 4, you discover something about yourself you forgot existed. Weeks 8 through 24. This is the way that makes people cry. Not from sadness, from recognition. From rediscovering something they thought was permanently lost. Their own strength, their own capability, their own power, not just physical power, the power of self. Here's what happens. Every day you swing, you do something hard. You show up, you do the work, you complete the commitment. This seems simple, but it's profoundly powerful because most people have spent years breaking promises to themselves. I'll start Monday, I'll diet this week, I'll exercise tomorrow. These broken promises accumulate, they create a belief. I can't follow through, I can't commit, I can't trust myself. This belief is devastating, it infects everything. Work, relationships, personal goals. Swings break this pattern, small, daily, achievable. You promise yourself 20 swings. You do 20 swings. That's it. The promise is kept. The next day, you keep it again. And again. And again. And slowly a new belief forms. I keep my promises to myself. I follow through. I can trust myself. This new belief doesn't stay in the gym. It spreads. You start keeping other promises, work deadlines, relationship commitments, personal goals. The discipline built through daily swings infects every area of your life. Week 8, she noticed she was showing up differently at work. More decisive, more confident. Week 12, she had a difficult conversation she'd been avoiding for months. Week 16, she started a business she'd been afraid to start for years. Week 24, she was unrecognizable, not physically. Though that was dramatic, she was unrecognizable as a person. She had found herself again. That's what made her cry. Not the weight loss, not the pain relief, not the energy. She found herself. The person she'd been before years of broken promises had slowly eroded her belief in herself. Daily swings rebuilt that belief, one kept promise at a time. But the transformation doesn't stop at you. It spreads. Because Way 5 changes how others experience you. Way 5, your relationships transform because you transform. Months 3 through 6. Here's something nobody talks about. When you change, your relationships change. Not because other people change, because you show up differently. And how you show up determines everything about how relationships function. Before kettlebells, she was depleted. She had nothing to give. She showed up to relationships from a place of scarcity, exhausted, drained, needy. After months of daily swings, she had energy, she had confidence, she had self-respect. And she showed up from abundance. Her relationship with her children transformed. She had energy to play, to engage, to be present. She wasn't collapsing on the couch the moment she got home. She was active, engaged, alive. Her kids noticed. They started coming to her more, talking more, because she was available in ways she hadn't been for years. Her work relationships changed. She was more decisive, more confident, more respected. People could sense the shift in her energy. Her posture was different. Her voice was different. Her presence was different. Even her relationship with herself transformed. She started making better choices across the board. Better food, better sleep, better boundaries. Because you can't rebuild physical capability and self-trust without it bleeding into every life decision. This is the ripple effect of kettlebell training. It starts with your body, but it spreads to your relationships, your environment, your entire life context. Way 6. Your standards for everything in your life elevate permanently. Months 4 through 8. This is subtle but powerful. When you prove you can commit to something difficult, your standards for everything rise. You stop accepting mediocrity in your fitness, in your work, in your relationships, in your environment. Here's the mechanism. Daily swings prove something to you. That you're capable of more than you thought. That discipline is possible. That transformation is real. And once you know this, settling becomes uncomfortable. You start reorganizing your environment to support growth. You declutter your space, optimize your sleep, improve your nutrition. Not because someone told you to. Because your elevated standards demand it. You start choosing better in every domain. Month 4, she rearranged her home office, created a space that inspired work. Month 5, she changed her diet. Not drastically, just removing things that didn't serve her. Month 6, she ended a friendship that had been draining her for years. Not with anger, with clarity. Her standards had risen. The relationship no longer met them. Month 7, she started pursuing a promotion she'd been afraid to seek for years. Month 8, she got it. The kettlebell didn't give her the promotion. It gave her the standards that made pursuing it inevitable. This is the identity cascade. You become someone who accepts excellence, and excellence is everywhere once you start demanding it. Way 7. You stop fearing time, the deepest transformation. This is the existential change, the one that permanently alters your relationship with aging, with time, with mortality itself. And it happens gradually, quietly, but undeniably. Here's what most people fear about aging. Not death itself, the decline before death, the loss of capability, independence, vitality, the becoming invisible, the becoming a burden, the losing yourself before you lose your life. Daily kettlebell swings directly combat every single one of these fears. Your capability increases instead of declining. Your independence strengthens instead of weakening. Your vitality grows instead of fading. Your presence becomes more powerful instead of diminishing. Month 6, she noticed something profound. She stopped dreading birthdays. She used to mourn each year, another year older, another year closer to decline. But not anymore. Because she was building capability. She was getting stronger, more capable, more vital. Each year wasn't taking something. It was adding something. She started looking forward to her 60s. Because if the first 3 months of swinging could do this, what would 10 years do? 20 years? A lifetime? The projection was extraordinary, not decline, expansion, not fading, growing. This is the ultimate gift of kettlebell training. It doesn't just change your body, it changes your relationship with time, with aging, with your future self. You stop running from your age, you start building toward your best self. At every age, she is living proof. 47 years old when she started, more capable, more vital, more alive than she was at 35, and getting better every year, not despite her age. Because of her commitment, this is what the kettlebell actually does. Not just builds strength, builds a life. The 7-way transformation challenge. Here's what I want you to do. Commit to 8 months, not 8 weeks. 8 months, long enough to experience all 7 ways. Start with 20 swings daily. Progress to 50, then 100. Track not just physical changes. Track your relationship with your body, your pain levels, your energy, your self-trust, your relationships, your standards, your relationship with aging. Document all 7 dimensions of change. 8 months from now, you'll understand why I called this video the best exercise ever. Not because of the physical benefits, though those are extraordinary. Because of the 7 ways it changes your life at every level. If you're committing to this 8-month transformation, drop a comment saying, 7 ways changing. Let's build a community of people who understand that fitness isn't about looking good. It's about living fully, at every age. With complete capability, with unshakable self-trust, with relationships that thrive, with standards that elevate everything. And if you want the complete 8-month protocol, week-by-week progression, and all 7 transformation tracking tools, smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Because we're building something bigger than a fitness channel. We're building a community of people who choose transformation over resignation, growth over decline, life over existence. 7 ways the kettlebell will change your life. Body trust, pain elimination, energy abundance, self-rediscovery, relationship transformation, elevated standards, and finally, the freedom from fearing time itself. 1 tool, 7 transformations, a lifetime of results. The best exercise ever, after 7 ways. I think you already know the answer. I'll see you in the next video. Now go swing. Not because you have to, because you choose to transform.